Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to share my current memory keeping, just a little flip through and my ideas on what I'm doing for the next, we'll say for the next month. So I need to catch up on my memory keeping. I have not had time to do that, but I just wanted to kind of go through on how I'm doing with my memory keeping. And it is going very well, but I do need to fill in some spots here. Like I have a picture here of, there was 100-pound car pileup in Michigan. So I kind of snapped a picture and I'm going to write about that. The snow was crazy. I mean, the weather has been so interesting. And yeah, so this is like, I need to backtrack to January and fill all this in. So that's my goal, hopefully for March. I did go get my nails done with a friend, so I covered her up. I didn't want to put her picture out there. And then have a picture with my daughters and I. And yeah, and then I had shared this page. It's when we went on our cruise. And so just kind of filled that in. That was like a quick little thing because I was so excited. So I still have to finish February. I went to a strawberry festival in Plant City, Florida. So I'm going to talk about that. Put a couple of pictures. And then I'm going to discuss why I decided to stop my Heidi Swapp quarterly subscription, which I just looked at the quarterly, like what you get for the next 3 months. I'm glad I didn't get it because I'm not big on the color scheme, and also it's butterflies. I have enough butterflies with Cocoa Daisy, and I actually like their May subscription. So I decided that I'm just gonna stick with Cocoa Daisy and use my stash and also use them for my memory keeping. So earlier this year, I discussed why I was using the memory keeping kit. Well, I decided not to do the memory keeping kit, and I'm going to explain why. I decided not to keep the memory keeping kit because I decided to change to the creative kit. And I really like that the creative kit has more of a thinner profile. I like the thinner papers for the memory keeping kit. And these have been fun to put into my planner, my Heidi Swapp planner. So I have been having fun like ripping pages, and that's what I'm doing with my memory keeping. And then I'll just add pictures and tip-ins and all those fun things. So this was from the March kit. So I've decorated that. And so it's been fun also to do like rub-ons. And like this, I just kind of fussy cut this little, what do they call it? Not a banner. Oh, I guess it's a banner, but they call it something else. A bunting, I think, or something like that. They took some paper. So I'm gonna, I know I keep changing, but for the rest of 2026, I want to stick with the creative kit. Originally, it was the planner add-on, and I used to always get the planner add-on because I liked the planner add-on. I didn't know how I would like the creative kit, but I do like the creative kit because I like the paper pad now. And I can use this as, I can make dashboards. I can add it to my memory keeping. I can add it to my planners. And it's an open-ended item that I am excited to use. So that's what I decided to do here. And then it's just a fun, pretty spring kit. And if you saw my video, I'm also using this kit for my baby pictures as well. So that's how I have created for March, and I probably add a little bit more here. So I decided I'm going to go ahead. I just ordered the Heidi Swapp pages and decided to add my own twist to it. So this will be for April. So for now, I'm just going to use the blank pages and work on April, May, and June. And I'm going to use my stash. And also I have, which I've discussed, my I'm still using Ali Edwards. So these are just some items that I put to the side that I'm not going to use for now. But you get a lot with the Ali Edwards. And I actually like the Ali Edwards monthly versus the Heidi Swapp quarterly. So I'm going to stick in with the Ali Edwards monthly kit. And let's see. So yeah, so I'm gonna be decorating these pages. They are blank. And then I am using these items here. So let's see. Just cover this picture up. So for January, I just kind of have some pictures and what we did. So for New Year's Eve, we watched Mission Impossible 2. And that was fun. And then just kind of wrote some things down that's going on in January. And I like the cards from Ali Edwards. Here's my little resolutions that I decided to do for myself and my family. And this is how I am setting this up. So my extra photos will go in here. So for our cruise, I will add some pictures here. The weather report. It came with these stickers. When we went to Key West, I have like a little, the receipt from Key West. Played bingo. And so that's how I decided to set up. These are March cards, the Ali Edward cards, and it is so pretty. And I like this form of scrapbooking because it's small, but I could still add 4x6 pictures and 3x4 pictures. So I've already put in the cards that I want to use for March. And then some extra items still here from Heidi Swapp. I really like these little envelopes, and I did show that I bought an extra kit through Heidi Swapp when I ordered the pages. So that's how I'm going to be memory keeping. So I just want to share that. I still have some of these I can use through Heidi Swapp. So that is where I'm going forward with my memory keeping, and super excited about that. I have, let's see. So I have these. Oh, sorry, really quick. This is why I'm doing also I like the thin profile as well of the creative kit. So see, I still get the rub-ons. You get the die cuts. I pulled the birds out and put them in a separate container. That's the thing, like sometimes I get bird and butterfly worn out. So I put like the birds in here, and then I have my washi. So this is for March and April. I don't have the washi for, here's some of the washi I want to use for March and April. Those colors. But yeah, so I like these tags. These would be fun to use in my scrapbook. And then these I can use in my journal. It's like a lot of coffee themed cards, book theme. So this would be fun to use in my journal, and you know, when I'm doing my journals, like having to do with coffee pictures or book reading, whatever. And then die cuts. But yeah, so that's why I decided to go to the, oh, another reason why I decided to not do the scrapbook kit for Cocoa Daisies, because of the thicker paper profile. And a lot of the papers actually here are also with the memory keeping kit. So I figured, like I said, these are thin. I really like the thinner profile paper. And then another reason why I decided not to go with the other, I thought I would want stamps, more stamps. Not saying I won't do the scrapbooking kit sometimes, but a stamp every month, I was just thinking that is just more to store. I have so many Cocoa Daisy stamps. And like for March, I got a stamp seeing it's spring, so I could still use this for March, April, and May. I could still use that stamp there. So I decided I think I would get more out of the creative kit because it's open-ended versus the scrapbook kit and all the little die cuts and all that stuff. But I like the tabs too. I like the small tabs in the creative kit. That's one of the main reasons why I always liked getting the creative kit or the planner add-on kit from Cocoa Daisy, was because of also the I'm going blank, the tabs. So, but yeah, so I am looking forward to using this. This would even be fun to put some memorabilia in and some ephemera in. So I can also put this in my my memory keeping book. So that's it. I just want to share that. So for my April kit, I got the stationery and I got the creative kit. So that's what I got for that month. And yeah, so stay tuned. I look forward to sharing more, but I want to share with you my plans for my memory keeping for 2026. I am continuing with the Heidi Swapp kit. So not kit, sorry, the pages, and continuing my memory keeping with my stash and my Cocoa Daisy. And also, I have not been able to pass up some of the Sterling ink. Sterling ink has been knocking it out the park, so I also will be using the beautiful not acetate, vellum in here as well. I'm going to add some vellum and put that in my memory keeping as well. That's why I like this, because I could just punch holes and add the vellum in here. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I'm going to March is already almost past, so I'm going to start getting my lineup together for April. So I will be sharing April soon. And you guys stay tuned for that. And thanks so much for watching. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.